What if I told you that one man didn't just build a bank, but built a belief system for an entire continent? A belief that Africa's future will not be handed to it, it will be built by Africans themselves. That man is Tony Elumelu, born in 1963, in Jos, Nigeria. Tony Elumelu grew up in a disciplined household where education was seen as the gateway to opportunity. He studied economics at Ambrose Alley University and later earned a Master's degree from the University of Lagos. But beyond degrees, he developed something more powerful: vision. While many around him were focused on getting stable jobs, Tony was already thinking about building institutions. He began his career in banking as a young professional, eager to prove himself. He wasn't loud, he wasn't flashy, but he was observant. He understood systems, numbers, and most importantly, potential. In 1997, at just 34 years old, he led a group of investors to take over a struggling financial institution known as Standard Trust Bank. Where others saw risk, he saw an opportunity to rebuild. Through discipline, strategy, and bold leadership, he transformed the small bank into one of Nigeria's fastest-growing financial institutions. Then came a move that would redefine his legacy: merging Standard Trust Bank with United Bank for Africa. It was more than a merger. It was a statement. Under his leadership, UBA expanded across more than 20 African countries and established a presence in global financial centers like New York, London, and Paris. An African bank was now competing on the world stage. But what truly separates Tony Elumelu from many wealthy businessmen is not just the empire he built, it is the philosophy he introduced. He called it Africapitalism, the belief that the private sector has the responsibility to drive Africa's economic and social development. To him, profit and purpose were not enemies, they were partners. He put that belief into action in 2010 when he launched the Tony Elumelu Foundation. He committed $100 million of his own money to empower African entrepreneurs. Not as charity, but as investment. Thousands of young Africans have since received seed funding, mentorship, and training. Across the continent, businesses have been born because one man decided to believe in African potential. Today, Tony Elumelu is recognized globally as a business leader, investor, and philanthropist. He sits at influential tables, shaping conversations about Africa's economic future. Yet, his message remains simple: Africa's transformation will come from Africans who dare to build. His story is not just about becoming wealthy, it is about becoming impactful. It is about seeing possibility where others see limitation. From a young economist in Nigeria to one of Africa's most influential voices in business, Tony Elumelu's journey proves that vision, when matched with courage, can change not just a company, but a continent. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to World BioToons for more captivating biographies.